In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule in Asana's My Tasks based on the due date. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or ensure nothing slips through the cracks, setting up a customized rule in Asana can be a game changer. So, let's dive right into it. First, navigate to your My Tasks section in Asana. This is where you'll manage your tasks and set up the rules that will help automate your tasks based on key criteria. Once you're in My Tasks, look over to the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click on that. This is your entry point to adjust and enhance how tasks are handled in your personal task list. After clicking Customize, the next step is to focus on Rules. Rules are vital in automating tasks, so you don't have to manually adjust them constantly. You'll find an option labeled Rules, which will help you automate actions based on specific triggers. From there, click on Add Rule. This will open up a new window where you can either choose from a set of predefined rules or create one tailored to your needs. For our purposes, let's focus on creating a custom rule. You'll notice an option to Create Custom Rule. Click on that, and it'll open up a new panel. Here is where you can specify exactly how you want tasks to behave when certain conditions are met. Before you dive into setting triggers and actions, there's an essential step to ensure your rule functions correctly. Look towards the top right corner again, and you'll see a gear icon. Click on the gear icon, and you'll find an option labeled Run on Subtasks. By default, this might be enabled, but for the rule we're setting up, you should disable this option. This ensures that the rules apply only to the main tasks and not to any subtasks, unless you want them to. Next comes setting up the when or the trigger for your rule. Since we're focusing on due dates, you'll want to choose a trigger like due date is approaching. This trigger will alert your rule when a task's deadline is near, allowing you to automate what happens next with that task. Now it's time to decide what action should take place when your trigger condition is met. This part labeled Do This allows you to set the specific action you wish to automate. You have a variety of options here. Whether it's assigning the task to yourself or someone else, changing its section, or even altering its priority level. The choice is entirely up to you, and should align with how you prefer to manage your workload. And that's really all there is to it. Setting up a rule based on the due date in Asana can significantly optimize how you handle tasks and deadlines. It'll save you time, keep you organized, and ensure you stay on top of what's important. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Enjoy automating your tasks and enhancing your productivity in Asana.